What is virtual environment? It's an isolation that we provide for our projects. A Python virtual environment created in a folder is a Python environment such that the Python interpreter, libraries, and scripts installed into it are isolated from other virtual environments and global environment. For example, you are working with two projects. One project is of web development and another is of machine learning. So you can create two virtual environments. One virtual environment can be used for web development where you will install Django. Another virtual environment can be used for training machine learning models where you can install NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and all other libraries required for training machine learning models. And these two virtual environments will be isolated from each other. When you list out the libraries installed in first virtual environment, you can see only Django and no other libraries. And that's all for today. Hope you got something. Then like it, share it and comment down your suggestions and queries. And thanks for listening.